Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Laura Yamada.
And I'm Paula Akana. It was an incident that terrorized boaters, tourists, and surfers last year. A high-powered aluminum boat running right at them, and part of the mayhem caught on videotape. But KITV4 has learned that the boat operator will not go to prison and may even have the felony charge stay off his record. KITV4's Daryl Huff is in our newsroom with tonight's top story. Daryl?
Paula, many thought Edward Crayenbull would spend years in prison, but now boaters are outraged that he's getting off with what they consider to be no penalty at all, with no charges at all, for the scariest of his behavior.
That boat had 14 people on it. That should be 14 separate cases of attempted murder.
In August of last year, Edward Crayenbull and his twin-engine powerboat seemed to be trying to ram a vessel carrying tourists from Kewalo Basin out for parasailing. But Crayenbull was never charged with his videotaped behavior.
And you say, wow, that guy's going to be in jail for the rest of his life. Nothing. No charge, no investigation, nothing.
Crayenbull was charged with what he did a few minutes later in the Alawai boat harbor, terroristic threatening for nearly swamping two people in a dinghy and for verbally threatening a man on shore. Instead of the potential 5-year sentence, Judge Ed Kubo gave Crayenbull no prison time, no fine, and the chance to have his record stay clean after 5 years.
Justice was not served, not at all.
In his sentencing hearing, Crayenbull told the judge that because of his wife's illness and loss of a job, he had a breakdown that day, and he's very sorry for what happened. He said since then, he's gotten anger management and substance abuse treatment.
Whatever his state of mind was is not an excuse.
Many local boaters feel the fact that someone could get away with this is proof that understaffing and poor management of boating regulations and offshore rules has left the water users' community in jeopardy.
Here's a blatant offense that's on videotape of someone trying to do harm to other people, and absolutely nothing happens. Nothing.
Prosecutors did have the videotape, but a spokesman for the office could not explain why it was not used as evidence either for tougher charges or to show and persuade Judge Kubo that Crayenbull deserved at least some time in jail. Paula.
All right, Daryl, thank you.